Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been forever and a day and a half since I have filmed a video, but here I is about to film another one for you. I think today I'm going to just do an updated brow routine for you guys, and that's only because ever since I put out that first one, I definitely switched up my entire method. Like the entire method that I first showed you. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you how I do it now, and please disregard the extra lisp I might have. It is extra because I think I already have a lisp without these, but I do have in aligners right now, just trying to get my teeth together, you know. That's like one of my biggest insecurities was my teeth, but that's gonna be a whole separate video, so I'm not gonna get too much into it with you guys right now. Just know that if I'm talking weird, it's because I have aligners in. Yeah. So let's just jump right into the video. And I do have a microphone now, so you can hear me even if I do have the music playing in the background. I'm just trying to update my whole system here, just so just so my videos can come out exactly how I know they should be. Let's just get started here. First of all, I'm going to just shine a bright ass light on something you guys should already know about, and that is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. This is in Ebony, and if you have used this, you already know what the rave is about. It's amazing. I mean, the consistency of this stuff is so creamy, it's not even funny. To start off, I usually take a lighter concealer just so you can clearly see what you're doing. So I'm gonna take my LA Colors, I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. Try to say that 5 times fast. I'm gonna take that and just pretty much map out my brows. Scratch that, reverse. First of all, we're gonna actually, you know, take your little spoolie, brush them on out. Any spoolie you might have, you can use that. Just brush them out to the way they need to be. I'm just going to take my concealer and map it out and try my best not to block out you guys' view. You want to listen to this song, god damn it. Stop being so sad. So I'm just going to take this and just put a little bit on there. No, I'm not mapping it out at the moment. I'm just applying some product so that I can use my brush to put it where it actually needs to be. So disregard how crazy this looks. You get a paper towel. Okay, so I'm just going to try and turn this way so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take my angled flathead brush, try and get it as smooth as possible so like no hairs are flying away. And I'm going to just pick some of this product up and map out where I want my brow to be. Just try to follow my natural brow line. I have a random scar on my eyelid that I don't even know where it came from, but it's there. So I'm gonna try and conceal that too. The front of my brows are just so hard sometimes that I have to, you know, try and get them even by doing that whole, you know, monobrow trick. I'm just gonna brush again just to make sure the hairs are where I need them to be. And I gotta find my actual brow pencil. I get lost in your love. I get lost in the word you say. Taking some of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony, like I said before. gonna take some of that and dab the brush in there. Just make sure you're picking up enough product. And I'm going to start with my most irritating brow, which is this one. I'm just going to try and fill in the spaces. Like, there is actually no hair right here and about both of my brows, but in this one you can see it a lot more. So I'm going to focus on trying to fill that in first. Now that piece that like the front piece, I don't like to put too much product on it. I pretty much like to just put a dab of product on it and then take my spoolie and spread it out for a more natural looking brow. But also towards the front, I do try to use the like single hair strokes, again, for a more natural looking brow. Just follow the way my hair is actually going. And I don't try to do the front too much, like right in between, because boy, I don't like square looking brows. That's how I used to do my brows. That's probably how I did it in the other video. I should probably delete that because I've evolved a lot. My makeup game has evolved a lot, so as I'm saying this, my brow looks like shit, but hey, I'm gonna clean it up. I know what I'm doing now, guys. I don't like when it's super skinny at the end, so this is like the most annoying part for me, is trying to make this look the way I need it to. Let me stop messing with that one and go to this one, and then we're gonna do a full-blown cleanup once I'm done. As I keep saying, the cleanup is really just epic. It is, because I make such a mess while I'm doing my brows. You see how this one's way longer than this one? Just wait till I clean them up, please. Please, because wow, bitch, that looks terrible. I try to make sure the arch is the same. So as you can see, this one's like, I drew over it too much. So I'm just gonna take the spoolie and try to clean up some of that concealer. Take some more brow pomade, not a lot, because we really don't need a lot. We're just using one part of it. We're just trying to fix one part of it, so just get enough for that part. And also right here, I try to use the single hair strokes as well and go downward, because that's what my natural brow does. So a lot of people's natural brow does, actually. So if you can follow that method, you should. That's good enough for me. Same thing with the inner brow right here. The beginning, the inner, I don't know what you call it. That, just use your spoolie and make it look more natural. And also do wipe off a bit of it just to expose my natural brow. Give them an illusion, you know? I'm gonna actually drag out the end of this a little bit more too, just to match the other brow. And it's best if you take like the actual pointed edge of your brush and just, you know, put it in there. Drag some extra product down. and leave it like that. Now, for the cleanup game I was talking about, let me take some more whatever's left on this brush. I do like, now that I have this, where did I get this? This is BH Cosmetics. It literally just says 120 on it. Their 120 flathead brush, I guess. I'm not sure what the name of the brush collection was, but I think the lucky stars that I found it and it was on sale, because I think I got like 3 sets of brushes from them. I got this all black set. I got a rose quartz set, like the brushes like this, and I don't know what this one was called, but I got this one too, the really pretty metallic ones. I don't know when this stopped recording, but all I did was blend out everything, all the concealer. I used my flathead brush. Not sure if that was incorporated into what I was trying to say, or if it was cut out, but yeah, I just took this flathead brush and smoothed out all the lines of concealer. And if you wonder where I got these earrings from, I got them from my good friend Caitlin Cruz. You can look her up on Facebook, and she has her whole, like a whole jewelry boutique pretty much online. And she does like live videos as her way of selling things. Like she'll do, what are they called? Auctions. She'll do auctions on her live videos on Facebook. I think she's on Instagram. So yeah, just look up, I think on Instagram she's Cruz Caitlin. And on Facebook, she's obviously just who she is, Caitlin Cruz. I will insert her information somewhere in the video. You'll see it somewhere in the video. So that you guys can probably buy some stuff from her too. It's amazing. Zara, what are you doing? You will see me combing my hair a lot. I don't know if I said it or it cut off on me, but I am wearing clip-ins, so I'm trying to blend my hair with the weave. I'm trying to blend my hair. Oh shit. So this is the finished face. I just threw on some lashes and mascara and a clear, not a clear, pretty much just a nude lipstick. Just threw that on real fast just because I didn't want to take too much away from the eyes. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I do hope to see you guys in my next video.